Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily align objects in AutoCAD. I'm going to do it in the web version of AutoCAD. So as you can see, I'm running, for example, this is a corner of a building, and this is maybe a sofa, maybe it's a table, maybe it's a refrigerator. It's completely up to you, and it's very easy actually. And what you have to do, we have the object and we have the wall, let's call it the wall that we need to align it to. What we need to do is type in a command of align or just AL, and that's basically all you need to do. We're gonna click on align. First of all, we have to pick the object. So the object will be this refrigerator. Enter. Right now, specify first source point. So first source point will be this corner, this endpoint. And destination, we can make it like this. This will be the destination. Okay, now we have to specify the second source point. Second source point will be a second endpoint of this sofa, and we can make it like this maybe. So we can now specify third point, but it's not necessary if it's a cubic or it's a square or whatever. Or hit continue. I'm gonna hit continue. Scale object based on alignment points, yes or no. Let's go with yes. And it automatically align it to that option. So you can do it, it doesn't even have to be in the corner. So let's go with like this. And I'm showing you if you won't scale the objects to the endpoints. So align like this. Choose an object, enter. First endpoint here, first endpoint here. We don't want to specify the third one, just like that. And scale objects based on alignment points, no. And it did it like this. If you hit yes, it will copy the aligned points as it did before. Only thing that it will keep is the height of the object. But if you press no, it will keep the exact length of an object, and then you will go and it will use the first source point as a start, and the second one will be ignored, but it will be on the line. So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.